In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of using a planer to achieve smooth and uniform surfaces on your woodworking projects. Let's begin by setting up the planer for optimal performance and safety. Ensure that the planer is placed on a stable and level work surface. This prevents any unwanted movement during operation. Before turning on the planer, make sure that the blades are sharp and aligned properly. Dull or misaligned blades can cause poor quality cuts and damage the wood. First, adjust the depth of cut to the desired thickness. Most planers have a depth adjustment knob or lever that allows you to control the amount of material to be removed. Also, it is a good idea to treat the feeding table of the planer with oil for the wood to slide easily. Start with a light cut and gradually increase the depth until you achieve the desired thickness. Taking off too much material at once can result in tear out or uneven surfaces. To minimize tear out, ensure that the wood grain direction is aligned with the feed direction of the planer. Feed the wood into the planer, making sure to maintain a steady and consistent pace. Use gentle pressure to guide the wood through the machine. To reduce snipe, support the wood at both ends as it enters and exits the planer, or adjust the infeed and outfeed tables if your planer has that feature. Snipe refers to a deeper cut at the beginning or end of a board. After planing one side of the wood, flip it over and repeat the process on the other side. This helps to achieve consistent thickness and smoothness across the entire piece. As you plane, periodically check the surface of the wood for evenness. A good practice is using a straight edge or a precision measuring tool to ensure the surface is flat and free from any imperfections. Planing wood produces a significant amount of dust and debris. Wear a dust mask and use a dust collection system or work in a well-ventilated area to minimize the inhalation of particles and keep your workspace clean. I hope you learned how to use a planer machine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more woodworking tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.